Hi guys, let me show you something. We love these cars, but we have only one problem with them. We call it time. This is what we call it, time. They rust like This is quite easy panel to fix, but this one are harder. We have a solution for this. Lovely new panel, fits perfectly here, saves a lot of work, just ready to be welded. We have one more. Okay, it goes like here. Front step also fits great. And even one more inner fender. All brand new panels. They will save lots of work. The another one are on the way. Just can't wait to start welding them. It will be a nice job. Stay tuned. I co, nagrywasz już?
Tak.
I co, że ja niby mam po angielsku mówić?